Gbagam Maazị Agụ na ndị otu ụlọ ọrụ mmụta dị ụtọ ji ohere a wee na-asị Maazị Chidubem a na-agụ aṅụrị ncheta ụbọchị ọmụmụ ya gazie. Do you have a birthday coming up for yourself, your child, a friend, or a loved one? Don't just say happy birthday. Say it in a way they will never forget. With Mmụta Dị Ụtọ, you can send a personalized birthday shout-out starring your favorite character from our viral Igbo cartoons and the celebrant as a cartoon character too. Imagine their joy when they see themselves celebrating alongside Maazị Agụ and friends. It's simple. Just email the name, birthday, and a picture of the celebrant to ziem@mmutadiuto.com. Our team will transform them into a cartoon star and create a magical shout-out they can keep forever. Unique, memorable, fun, and perfect for adults and kids alike. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Order your birthday shout-out today at ziem@mmutadiuto.com and give a gift that brings smiles, laughter, and Igbo culture to life. Cordino.